Hi everyone, welcome to Spark and Speak. Today we bring you a simple but powerful video. It will teach you an important lesson about life, effort, and success. Some people shine early. They learn fast. They win fast. They look better than everyone else. And when you stand next to them, your own effort can feel small. This is why many people give up too soon. Not because they are weak, but because they believe talent is everything. But is that really true? Stay with us. Something that schools do not teach. Something that most people never discover. The secret is not talent. The secret is the journey from nothing to something. Meet Alex. Alex grew up in a small town. His family did not have a lot of money. He did not go to a famous school. He did not have a computer or special teachers. When Alex was 16 years old, he had one dream. He wanted to be successful, but he did not know how. He looked around him. Other kids were smarter. They had better clothes, better grades. Alex felt far behind. Have you ever felt like this? Like everyone else is ahead of you? Like you started too late? Like you do not have what it takes? If yes, this story is for you. Alex makes a decision one night. Alex sat in his small room. He had very little, but he had one thing. He had a decision. He said to himself, I do not have much, but I will use everything I have every day. That night, he opened an old notebook. He wrote 3 words at the top of the first page. Start from here. Not from the top. Not from a perfect place. From here. From nothing. From this small room. From today. And that small decision changed everything. The truth about talent. What is talent? Let us talk about talent. Talent means being naturally good at something. Some people can draw well from a young age. Some people can sing without any training. Some people learn math very fast. Yes, talent is real. We will not lie to you. But here is the big secret most people miss. Talent without effort does not go far. Effort without talent can go very far. Hard work beats talent when talent does not work hard. The study of 10,000 hours. A man named Anders Ericsson spent years studying experts. He studied musicians, chess players, athletes, and scientists. He found something amazing. The best people in the world were not always the most talented. They were the most practiced. He called it the 10,000-hour rule. If you practice something seriously for 10,000 hours, you become an expert. That is about 3 hours a day for 10 years. This means success is not magic. It is math. Time plus effort equals skill. Skill plus patience equals success. 2 students. Let us look at 2 students. Student A is very talented. She understands things quickly. People call her a genius. But she gets bored easily. She skips practice. She thinks she does not need to try hard. Student B is average. He is not the fastest learner. But every day he sits down and works for 1 hour. He makes mistakes. He corrects them. He tries again. 5 years later. Who do you think is more successful? Student B. Every time. Not because he was smarter, because he was consistent. Now I will share the 5 laws of going from nothing to success. Now we will teach you 5 powerful laws. These are simple rules that successful people follow. You can start using them today, even if you have nothing. Law 1. Start small, but start today. Many people wait for the perfect time to begin. They say, I will start when I have more money. I will start when I feel ready. I will start next month. But the perfect time never comes. The only good time to start is now. Not a big start, just a small start. A small start is better than no start. One step forward is better than standing still. Alex did not start with a business plan or a big office. He started with a notebook and 3 words. Start from here. What is your 3 words today? What small thing can you do right now? Write it down. Then do it. Law 2. Fall in love with the process, not just the result. Most people are in love with the dream. They want the money, the house, the fame, the success, but they do not want the hard work that comes before. Here is the truth. If you only love the result, you will give up when it is hard. But if you love the process, the daily work, you will never stop. A basketball player who loves practice will play better than one who just loves winning. A writer who loves writing will finish more books than one who just loves being famous. Success is built in the hours that no one sees. Every morning you wake up early, that is success building. Every time you choose to read instead of watching TV, that is success building. Every small good habit, that is a brick in your house of success. Fall in love with the work. The results will follow. Law 3. Use your pain as fuel. Pain is a part of life. Failure is a part of life. Hard days are part of life. You will face problems. You will feel tired. You will feel lost. You will want to quit. That is normal. That is okay. But here is what most people do not know. Pain is not your enemy. Pain is your teacher. When a muscle hurts after exercise, it is growing stronger. When you feel confused while learning, your brain is growing. When life is hard, you are growing. The people who reach the top are not the ones who had no pain. They are the ones who used their pain. Alex failed many times. He started a small business and it did not work. He tried to learn a new skill and he was bad at it. People laughed at him, but every failure taught him something. He wrote the lesson in his notebook. And he tried again, smarter this time. Your pain has a message. Listen to it, learn from it, then use it. Law 4. Protect your mind from negative voices. When you start working toward your dream, something bad will happen. People will talk. Some will say, "You cannot do that." People like us are not meant for big things. Stop dreaming. Be realistic. Do not let those words live in your head. Your mind is like a garden. Good thoughts are like flowers. Negative thoughts are like weeds. If you do not remove the weeds, they will kill the flowers. So protect your mind every day. Read good books. Listen to good voices. Spend time with people who encourage you. Stay away from people who always see the bad side. This does not mean you ignore problems. It means you choose to look for solutions, not just problems. A positive mind does not mean a perfect life. It means a strong mind that can face an imperfect life. Law 5. Be consistent, not perfect. Many people want to be perfect before they begin. They want the perfect plan, the perfect time, the perfect skills. But perfection is a trap. No one is perfect. No one is perfect. No plan is perfect. The best plan is the one you actually follow. Think about this. If you exercise for 10 minutes every day for 1 year, that is 60 hours of exercise. If you wait for a perfect 2-hour workout session and never go, that is 0 hours. 60 hours beats 0 hours, always. Consistency is the superpower that most people ignore. One small step every single day will take you to places you cannot imagine. Alex did not become successful in one day. He did something small every day, for years, and slowly, his life began to change. Small, consistent steps create big, unexpected results. Let us go back to Alex. After years of small steps, something amazing happened. He was not an overnight success. There was no magic moment. Just one day. He looked back at where he started, and he could not believe how far he had come. The boy from the small town. The boy with no computer, no money, no famous school, had built a real life, a good life, a proud life, not because someone gave it to him, but because he chose to start. He chose to fall. He chose to get up. He chose to go slowly when fast was not possible. He chose to keep going when quitting felt easy. Alex is not a fantasy. Alex is the person inside you, waiting to be chosen. Right now, you are at your own starting point. Maybe you feel behind. Maybe you feel lost. Maybe you have nothing. Maybe you have very little. That is okay. Most great stories start from very little. A seed is very small, but inside it is a whole tree. You are that seed, but only if you plant yourself in effort, only if you water yourself with consistency, only if you protect yourself from the cold winds of doubt. What success really means. Before we finish, we need to talk about something important. What does success really mean? For many people, success means money, fame, or power. These things are not bad, but they are not the full picture. True success has many faces. Success is waking up and feeling proud of who you are. Success is being kind to the people around you. Success is learning something new every day. Success is helping one person with your story. Success is becoming a better version of yourself, even slowly. Success is not a destination. It is a way of walking. When you choose to work hard, you are already successful. When you refuse to quit, you are already successful. When you get up after falling, you are already successful. The world may not see it yet, but you will feel it. And one day, the world will see it too. Make your action plan. Now let us make this real. Let us give you something you can do today. Your 5-minute daily success habit. Every morning, do these 5 things. Each one takes 1 minute. Minute 1. Write your one goal for today. Not 10 goals, just one. What is the most important thing you will do today? Minute 2. Say this out loud. I am capable. I am growing. I will not give up today. Words have power. Speak good words to yourself. Minute 3. Think of one person you are grateful for. Gratitude keeps your heart calm and your mind clear. Minute 4. Remember one lesson from a past failure. What did it teach you? How did it make you stronger? Minute 5. Take your first small step. Not tomorrow, now. Whatever your one goal is, do the first small step right now. 5 minutes every morning. One small step every day. That is the recipe. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to be fast. You just need to be consistent. Inspiring music reaches a gentle peak. Warm, golden visuals. Calm voice tone. We want to leave you with these final words. You started this video from nothing, just a click. And now you have something. A lesson. A push. A new beginning. That is exactly how success works. You start with nothing. You take one step,